We'll guide you through how to share files on Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your Dropbox homepage, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Hover over the file or folder and you'll see a blue Share button appear on the right. Click on that button to open the sharing options. In the pop-up window, you can enter the email address of the person you want to share the file with. You can also add multiple email addresses if you want to share it with more than one person. Below the email field, there's a section where you can add a message to the recipient if you want to include any specific instructions or notes. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can set the permissions for the file. You can choose to allow the recipient to either view or edit the file. Be sure to set the appropriate permission based on what you want them to do with the file. After you've entered all the necessary information and set the permissions, click the Share File button. The recipients will receive an email with a link to the shared file or folder, and they'll be able to access it directly from there. If you ever need to change the sharing settings or remove access, you can go back to the file, click the Share button again, and make the necessary adjustments in the sharing settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.